Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 8th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to Eurodollar now, and this is becoming interesting, isn't it? This big band of this big pivot level, 108.10 that I've spoken about, the old kilos from the middle of the year, became a resistance. It is a pivot level again. It's become supportive yesterday as I thought it might. I mean, you would argue, yes, it's slightly gone below that 107.94 on this chart, but not really ever sort of confirmed as a move. Here we go on the hourly chart. You never really got an hourly confirmation of the breakdown, so that pivot is still quite significantly in place, I would say. And I think it's going to probably come into play throughout the coming days, actually. But the market is certainly thinking about what it's going to do because you've had this slight retracement of the euro. It's started to find support. So does that mean that the euro bulls are still in the game? Well, it's interesting because I think this key pivot level has a big part to play, I think, in the medium-term outlook. If you sort of start to see this euro trading consistently below that pivot level, I think that would be the dollar bulls back in control, really. But at the moment, the euro traders are hanging on to their long positions, I think, and in terms of the having unwound those massive short positions, that seems to be the case. So I think if we see the euro starting to trade above this reaction high that we saw yesterday, which was 108.85, then you may well start to see a push back towards the highs again, 109.50, perhaps even 109.80. But at the moment, it's still sort of in sort of consolidation mode. I think really trying to figure out exactly what the next move is. I'm not sort of calling a massive fall away on the euro. I think this pivot level is the big determinant factor at the moment, and whilst it's being supported, you'd still certainly say that there's no major return of the sort of this long dollar play in terms of the euro. Although the dollar is generally strong against other currencies, it's not necessarily strong against the euro because obviously Mario Draghi has to a certain extent changed the game on that one. So how this euro weakness, if it does return, plays out, I think will be determined by this 108.10 key pivot support. So looking at the momentum indicators, you've already seen the RSI rolling over at 60, which again it's not that positive, it's just not negative anymore. I think stochastics rolling over as well, so I think we're more sort of neutral near term, and that 108.10 level is the key level that we need to watch out for. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.